morning. I'm Lilo Morante, your provider at your service. Today I'm going to introduce to you examination test for the internal combustion engine. In front of me are the devices we are going to use. On my right is a fuel cell, which disintegrate water with gas component, the hydrogen and the oxygen atoms. And from here, the center is the bubbler. This used to protect the system from any backfire and to purify the gases coming from the fuel cell. And from my left is a simulation device. I call this the current type explosion barrel. This simulated the engine. I have here the cylinder and a standard car spark plug, and under here is a ignition coil, a car ignition coil, and a condenser. With this component, this are the devices that give ignition to the car. Then, after this is set up, we insert this hose here to charge this with hydrogen gas. So that's it. So let's do it now in Act 1. I will energize now the fuel cell. Right? As you see, there's a bubbles coming out there, and that is the hydrogen gas. So I put it inside to charge the cylinder. See? Then I plug the air door. I'm plugging this now. I plug this now. Okay, so we are now ready to test it again. Okay. 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 So ready for test. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Thank you.
Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Sige.
Ayun.
Si Daddy.
Lakas sila. Na-video din. Ipunin na rin lahat yung clippings nun eh, no? Baka dyan may ma-slow mo muli yung apoy yan.
Si Daddy.
Pwede na. 1, sabi mo, ikaw bumitaw.
Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Sige.
Go. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Sige.
Pwede na. 1, 2, 3.
Si Daddy.
Pwede na. Lakas na.
Si Daddy. Sige.